Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com, where we provide cloud computing services that allow your employees to work from anywhere and still be under one virtual roof. We do this by hosting over 300 software applications and their associated data. All of those applications and data can be accessed and used from any of the devices you see on this screen. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281. Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about why a company would choose virtualroof.com to provide their cloud computing services and host their software and data for them. This video is going to be as quick as we can possibly make it. We got a lot of information to cover. If you want a more detailed video, you can do a search on YouTube for why choose virtualroof.com long version. Okay, first of all, we're going to show a list here of all the things you should get from any company that's providing cloud computing services. If the company that you're considering for your hosting needs is not providing at minimum this list, then you need to go somewhere else. So I invite you to pause this video at this point and take a look at this list, make some notes, do whatever you need to do to make sure that whoever you're talking to is providing at minimum these services. And obviously virtualroof.com does provide these services. In addition to that, we also provide this list that's coming up now. And again, I'm just going to pop this list up there. I want this video to be as short as possible. And so I want you to take a look at this. Again, you can pause this list once it's finished coming up. These are all services that we provide as part of our hosting services. So these are all additional services. You're not going to get another hosting company out there that will go to the extra miles that we go to make sure that our customers are successful. If we've got successful customers, then we're going to be successful ourselves, and that's our philosophy. And next up are the credentials that we have that show that we are capable of providing those services. Okay, and again, I'm just going to pop this list up here without getting into too much detail on any of them. By the way, it's very important that the software company, the company that makes the software that you're wanting to host, it's very important that that software company has authorized the hosting company to host their software, because that manufacturer of that software owns the rights to that software, and they choose who can install that software and who can use that software. So if the company that's hosting the software is not authorized to host the software, they can shut them down. So it's critical. You run a major risk if you're not using a company who's actually authorized to host the software. In addition to those authorizations, we also have a lot of security authorizations. The most significant of those is HIPAA, which is the certification that's required in order to store medical data. We also have all of these security certifications as well. So once again, this is a short version. Do a search on YouTube for why choose virtualroof.com long version if you want more detailed information and if you want to see some examples of how we actually provide these services. Thanks again for taking a few minutes to watch this video from virtualroof.com. If you'd like more information about us, you can go to our website. You could also do a search for virtualroof.com on YouTube. You can send us an email at info@virtualroof.com, or you can call us at 866-932-2281.